Yo, what's freaking poppin'? Today, I'm gonna put 7-Up in a glass and burp as loud as I can. This video is a request. I can burp on command. Anyway, but let's see how this works out. I don't know what this challenge is all about, but I'm up for it. Sorry I didn't get to the request right away. I've been pretty busy doing other things. So what am I supposed to do, like guzzle this? I one time did that in a Chinese food restaurant in 2012 and got sick. But my stomach is stronger now that I've aged. Oh, so I have to put this cap on in a rush. A Russian way! Okay. Here we are. And then burp as loud as I can. Here we go. Talking time, so. Wow. It does get you to burp a little, actually. Oh, my stomach is screwed now. Holy cow. That was wild. Oh. Wow, now I'll be burping all night. It's 2:20 in the morning as I'm filming this. I don't know why I did that. But someone requested it. Hope you enjoy the video. And, peace out, brother. You drink so much of that stuff, you're gonna get your belly sore. Also, it can help your sore stomach, but you drink that much, it's like, wow. Chow wow. A little update. I feel really good now, 2 minutes later. Did get wild for a little bit though. But I'm alright now. Peace.